how to fix Dell laptop power on, but no display. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where your Dell laptop is on, but the display is black and nothing is being displayed. You can hear the fan, maybe the keyboard backlight's on, but there's nothing on the display. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And I'm going to show you two different ways to easily fix this. So the first way is going to be a keyboard button combination. So we're going to hold down the Shift key, the Control key, the Windows button, and B at the same time. You may see the screen flash. You may see the mouse appear. We're just doing a reset of the graphics card. So hold that down for around 10 to 15 seconds, and hopefully this fixes your issue for you. Now, if after doing that, it did not fix your issue, don't worry. We can let go of the buttons, and the next thing we're going to do is going to be a hard reset. So this will not affect the files on your computer. We just need to find and hold down the power button on our Dell laptop. And for me, it's up here in the top right. It may be in the center or on the left side for you, but all we need to do is hold down that power button for around 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see backlight on your screen turn off, the backlight on your keyboard turn off, or even hear the fans turn off. Hold it down for around 5 seconds after that. And after around 5 seconds, and it's completely off, let go of the power button, then just hold down the power button for another 2 to 3 seconds, and the laptop will come back on. You'll see the screen start working again. And now your display is back on and it's no longer black. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.